Hi Freunde! Today I'd like to share some recent experiences with the Accsoon M7 Pro monitor. This one is packed with a lot of features and I didn't even have time to test all of them, but there are some very interesting and never seen before ways of how to use it. Let's go! First, I would have to say the colors are quite accurate on this monitor. The 7-inch size makes it easy to see details clearly. As for brightness, it's rated at 1000 nits. Under strong sunlight with an additional sun hood, it's still usable. Since I've been shooting a lot with the Portkeys monitor though on my Komodo with 2000 nits, I do see a difference between that one and the Accsoon one. I wish the Accsoon one could be a bit brighter. The design. You get 3 customizable buttons, a lot of IOs, so we got HDMI in-out, SDI in-out, and up-down cross conversion. There's also a USB port that allows you to control compatible cameras directly from the monitor. In my case, I'm using a Sony a7S III, and you can see I can adjust all the camera parameters. And finally, navigating through the playback is much easier now with the touch control. The downside is it does have some weight to it. Now, when using it with a smaller size camera like a Sony a7S III, the center of balance is quite on the upper part. Camera movements or just holding it, it's not the most convenient way. And also, it unfortunately is not compatible yet to control the red cameras. If I could try that out, that would be amazing. On the other hand, though, the cool thing is it is not just a monitor. You can see it as an Android tablet. So that means you could download certain apps like as APK files and then manually install them onto this tablet. For example, I installed the DJI app, which lets me control a camera mounted outside a car while I'm inside. You might think, why not just use my smartphone? That's a good question. I'm not sure why, but with its antennas, it seems to have a more stable connection in contrast to my phone. With the larger screen, it makes framing also much easier. And of course, it's also a monitor with a built-in transmitter, so you can transmit the picture out, so you don't need a lot of extra accessories. You can connect an iPad for the client to monitor, or pair it with another set of Accsoon receivers for a director's monitor setup. Unfortunately, nowadays budgets are getting smaller and smaller, and often we tend to just use a mirrorless body and a lens to shoot. But you will notice once you've attached an external monitor, your framing becomes much more precise, and you can also detect mistakes very quickly. So if you do pay a lot of attention on quality, I think it is an investment that is worth it. And also it comes with a lot of tools which can help you to expose your image as accurately as possible. All in all, we can say it is packed with a lot of features. And maybe, yeah, I'm gonna next shoot try to use it also like a live streaming device. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to see more awesome content like this, feel free to follow for more.